Now that we have our 2 plates assembled, we can put them onto this long main extrusion piece. Again, I like to, with these pieces on, just sort of line up these T-nuts, and we'll slide them in from the side. First one, and second one here. This can take just a small amount of managing. Then I'll just tighten them up a bit and make sure that they don't pop out. We'll repeat the same with the other piece. So again, it should look like this. We'll line this up, feed the first T-nut through, and then feed the second T-nut through. I find it helpful to have a finger on the bolt, and then I can sort of orient the T-nut. I'll just make those finger tight for now. All right, now those are on there just loosely, and we can move on.